Let's say it again.
Good morning.
Yay! Good morning. You might get in that today. Going to the beach. How do you unlock this? Just like that. Oh, God. Let's go test out the water. Looks freezing. Probably is. It's high tide right now. Oh my God, it's negative 20 degrees. It's so cold. Okay, I'm literally not even lying. The sand is like moon sand. Like, look at it. It's so soft and it squeaks. Fish, what? Just made a sandcastle snowman for all you Minnesotans back at home. I'm so salty. Bye, fish. So I'm walking right now. You probably can't hear me because it's really loud, but you can see behind me, there's the ocean, there's the people, but you probably can't hear a word I'm saying. But look at me, I'm sunburned. I am so tempted to run and chase all these birds, but I know I'll get like pooped on, so I'm not doing it. Okay, I made it back to the place. Now we're gonna go all the way back to where I just walked from, but I needed to come back, apparently. I got sunburnt, like, look at that. Girl, hopefully it turns into a tan. Are you sunburnt at all? You kind of got some sun. Yeah. Cute little freckles. So there's a bunch of seagulls over here, and I'm about to run up in them, and I'll probably get pooped on. But that's my own fault.
Here I go. I'll start running. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Madeline. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you all have a nice night. Thanks for watching the videos. Bye-bye.